Family and friends, you've been invited here this beautiful afternoon to witness the mutual vows uniting Anthony and Kailey in holy matrimony.
The love we have grown over the past 9 years and 11 months have been something out of a love story. Our love is unbreakable and it's undeniable. I vow to you, my life, my heart, and everything else that comes with a lifelong love like ours.
You look beautiful.
Thank you. Love you.
One word of wisdom that I want to share with you, that there is no question. I feel 100% confident. I know Michael feels confident that if I could share one word of wisdom for the rest of your life, and especially tonight, is don't blink. Don't blink. It goes by so fast.
Didn't know that I'd fall so hard. Then my feet left the ground. Gravity don't make no sense when you're around.
You remind me every day what love is supposed to feel like. Standing in front of you today, that every memory, every challenge, and every mile led us to where we are right here. I promise to always stand beside you, support you, and choose you every day. I promise to laugh with you, grow with you, and build a life together that is full of love, adventure, and family. I will always be grateful that my first love became my forever. I love you and can't wait to be your wife.
Won't you give me tonight and the rest of your life? I wanna have it all with you. I wanna have it all with you.
Their journey started quite some time ago, going back to the days attending school at St. Joan of Arc. So it's really evident that when something is meant to be, it will be.
'Cause your love is biblical. Biblical, it's biblical.
Kaylee, today I promise to love and honor you all of my life.
Anthony, today I promise to love and honor you all of my life.
To give you my strength and to ask for yours in return.
To help you
In good times.
in good times
And in bad
and in bad times.
To be by your side.
To be by your side
In joy.
in joy
And in sorrow.
and in sorrow.
To establish a home,
One of love and understanding.
one of love and understanding.
I give you
I give you
all of my trust
all of my trust
And ask you
to accept me
to accept me
as your wife.
as your wife.
I do. And ask you
To accept me
to accept me
as your husband.
as your husband.
I do.
I do.
That's a good start.
So won't you give me tonight?
So inasmuch as you, Anthony and Kailey, have consented together in holy matrimony and announced it before God and all those gathered here today by the authority vested in me, I do hereby pronounce you husband and wife. You may now kiss the love of your life.
Your
you for the person you are, in and out. I'm not sure if this is how vows are supposed to be started off, but Kailey, I vow to give you my everything. Ever since I was a kid, I wanted to marry someone with the same family and life values as me, and I can truthfully say you are everything I've dreamt of, Kailey.
Rest of your life, I wanna have it all with you. I wanna have it all with you. And when you open your eyes, I'll be there by your side. I wanna have it all with you. I wanna have it all with you. 'Cause your love is biblical. It's biblical. It's biblical.
It is truly an honor to stand up here tonight to celebrate Kailey and the beautiful partnership she and Anthony have built together. You are my best friend, the sister I always wished for, and my partner in crime. I can't wait to watch you step into this next chapter with Anthony. I know you're going to be the most amazing wife and one day the most incredible mama. I've watched you grow up together and create a love story so many people only dream of. You check every box to be the perfect husband for Kailey. I always admired the way you look at her, appreciate her, understand her, and support her. From the day I met you, I told her I could see you two getting married, and here we are today.
Kailey, you're one of the most loving, caring, just people I've ever seen in my entire life. You know, the way you feel for Anthony, the way you love Anthony, the way you care for him, the way you look after him, the way you want him to be a better man, just shows how much you love him. And for that, I can't be more proud to have you as a sister, to have you part of this family, and to have you in our life. Anthony, you've grown into the most loving, caring, respectful man I've ever been around in my life. There's nobody I've met that is like you. Simple as that. There's nobody I know that is like you. I'm proud of you. You mean the world to me, and there's nothing I wouldn't do in this world to help you, to make you happy, to help your marriage, to help your wife. I'm always here for you, bro. I love you.
Kailey, I love you, and I'm so proud of the incredible woman you've become. Anthony, I know you're going to love growing old with Kailey as much as I loved growing up with her.